Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a new database. So first of all you have to open your PhpMyAdmin. So once you have logged in into it, then you can just go to databases, and over here you can just type in the name of the database. So let's say it would be being skilled, and keep this UTF-8 underscore general underscore CI and just click on create. So now the database is created. What is the another way is to just click on SQL and type in create database and database name, which can be, let's say, being skilled 1. So if you will type create and database and then database name and semicolon, and then you can just click on go. So a database will be created. So we can see two databases over here. So this is how you create databases in MySQL using PhpMyAdmin. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.